Crypto Market Update, June 24, 2025. This past weekend delivered a surprise twist for global markets and crypto investors. President Donald Trump announced a ceasefire between Israel and Iran, claiming on social media that all planes will turn around, and that the ceasefire is in effect. The crypto market reacted swiftly and decisively. Almost immediately after the announcement, Bitcoin surged above $106,000, and altcoins like Ethereum, XRP, and Solana saw sharp gains. Over $350 million in short positions were liquidated, as traders rushed to reprice geopolitical risk. However, optimism quickly gave way to caution. Reports of renewed missile exchanges within hours of the announcement cast doubt on the ceasefire's legitimacy. Trump himself criticized both sides for violating terms and backpedaled on his initial optimism. The crypto market, while holding some gains, has begun to stabilize amid the uncertainty. Bitcoin update, current price, approximately $105,210. Bitcoin is up nearly 3% today following the ceasefire news, rebounding from a weekend dip below $99,000. Short-term outlook is that Bitcoin is riding a relief rally fueled by temporary de-escalation in the Middle East. If the ceasefire holds, BTC could challenge the 110K level again. If tensions resume, a retest of 100K or even 95K is possible. Long-term outlook is that Bitcoin remains in a structurally bullish position thanks to increasing institutional inflows, strong ETF demand, and its role as a macro hedge. If broader economic conditions remain favorable, BTC could reach 120K, 150K over the next 6-12 months. Ethereum, ETH. Price, approximately $2,600, up 5.7%. ETH rallied over 9% after the ceasefire news, and continues to show strength alongside BTC. XRP and Solana both posted strong gains amid renewed investor appetite for risk. XRP pushed above key resistance levels, and Solana reclaimed lost ground from the previous week's dip. Other movers, Chainlink, Avalanche and SUI also saw double-digit percentage gains. Short-term outlook, if the ceasefire narrative holds, altcoins are likely to benefit from increased volume and momentum trading. Volatility will remain high, especially for mid and small-cap tokens. Long-term outlook, Ethereum's scaling roadmap, growing DeFi activity and stablecoin legislation will shape altcoin growth. Projects with real-world use cases and institutional backing are best positioned to survive any market pullbacks. Market predictions, short-term, 1 to 2 weeks. If peace holds, BTC climbs toward 110K to 112K. ETH heads toward $2,600. Altcoins see 10 to 15% additional upside. If conflict resumes, BTC drops toward 98K to 100K. ETH, and others fall 10 to 20%. Risk appetite diminishes quickly, mid-term, 1 to 3 months. Bitcoin expected to consolidate between 100K to 115K. Ethereum could break $2,800 if staking growth continues. PASU, key catalyst, US crypto regulation progress, Fed interest rate outlook. Long-term, 6 to 12 months, Bitcoin could reach 130K to 150K on strong ETF adoption, global inflation concerns, and institutional demand. Ethereum and major altcoins may see steady growth if utility, scalability, and user adoption accelerate. Trump's ceasefire announcement created a temporary tailwind for crypto, sending prices soaring and liquidating short positions. But with geopolitical tensions still simmering, markets remain volatile. Bitcoin has bounced back above $105K, and altcoins are riding the wave, though how long it lasts depends on whether peace truly holds. Expect short-term gains to be fragile and tied to headlines. Longer term, the fundamentals for crypto remain strong, but be ready for turbulence.